Do you know how silicone lenses are manufactured? Why are they more heat resistant than PC and PMMA? As you can see, this is our silicone lens machine. The production process for our silicone lens is different from that of PC and PMMA lens. For PC and PMMA lens, you purchase plastic particles or optical particles, then melt them at high temperature. After melting, the liquid material is injected into a mold and then cooled and finally removed from the mold. However, silicone lenses are not like this because silicone is liquid. It is cold injected into the mold, then molded and finally cured. Therefore, the production process for silicone lens is more complicated. As you can see, this is our silicone lens with many optical microstructures on the lens surface. Our silicone lens are produced and developed based on the Kirin platform and very easy to install. When we first started producing silicone lens, we purchased imported materials from the market. We found that imported materials tend to yellowing under high temperatures, which was difficult to resolve. Ultimately, we decided to develop our own materials. Drawing on our previous experience in material research, we solved the problem of yellowing of silicone. We tested our silicone lens by baking them in an oven at 150 Celsius for 4,000 hours. It will not produce yellowing. If you are interested in silicone lens, please contact us for sample.